smells so good. Time for coffee, un cafecito, and breakfast. Let me show you what I'm eating. I am in a coffee shop. I am drinking a black coffee. Let me show you how to make this. It's time for another one of my breakfast bakes. It blows my mind that my blueberry breakfast bake from way back when has sparked over 40K views and a ton of shares. And that so many of you guys are feeling so confident as you enjoy this breakfast. I know this recipe gave you so many bright ideas. Now this breakfast bake is my power bake for those days when I need energy, filled with all kinds of goodness. The recipe will be in the description below, as well as the silicone molds I use. This is my basic recipe for my breakfast bake. I love these on days when I do my fitness workshops for 3 to 4 hours. I added a little bit of extra protein and matcha, moringa, and maca powder. We're going to pour this in the silicone molds, which you guys have also got turned on to. And we're going to refrigerate for 30 minutes and then bake it 375 for 45 to 50 minutes. Look how easy it is. These guys come right out of the silicone molds and they're easy to clean. And you are set. Now check it out. Look how clean. So clean. All you have to do is give it a quick wash and you are done. Put them in the freezer, and that way you have them whenever you need them. If you are a bright line eater, remember you can leave your oats whole and only enjoy recipes like this when you're ready. Would you like me to keep creating recipes for YouTube? Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.